the previous videos we find the integrals of this function and then with this function, and now this is the third trigonometric function whose integration we're going to find out. And whenever you get this type of the integrals, then first, let me first write this: 1 minus sine x over cos square x dx. Okay, so any complex type of the function you're getting, that does not matter whether it's trigonometric or any algebraic or any type of the function. First you need to simplify this and simplify it into such form that you can use the formula directly. You have learned 6-7 integral formula for the trigonometric functions, like integrals of sine x, integrals of cos x, integrals of cosec x, cot x, so some standard formula through which you can convert, you can easily get the integrals what you are trying to find out. But like this is looking complex, so you cannot directly convert by using the formula, right? So what you need to do now, you need to simplify this in a such a form that you can use some standard formula. All right, so for that, what I can do, I can just split up here 1 by cos square x and then sine x over cos square x. So that's what I'm going to do because I don't have any other option. So integration of 1 over cos square x, again minus sine x over cos square x dx. Okay, so the next thing is what I can do. Neither we have the formula of 1 over cos square x, so we can convert this 1 over cos square x as a sec square x. And the wonderful news for us is we have the formula for the sec square x. Later I will be telling you what is that, but let's first write the second term. Now sin x over cos square x. Okay, so one thing we have here, see, we have sin x and cos square x. It means we have 2 cos x, so I'm gonna do cos x and I'm gonna again write cos x separately. So I'm gonna make here the two things. All right, so sin x over cos x, that will give me tan x, and 1 over cos x, that's going to give me sec x. So the whole term is now turning to tan x times sec x times dx. Now I get the standard format. This is the standard format. Why I'm saying this is standard format? Because I have the particular formula for this particular guy, integral of sec square x. So what is this meaning? What do you understand by integral, indefinite integral of sec square x dx? What should we understand from this? We should understand that what is that function? What is that function whose derivative is sec square x? If you don't remember the formula, so just you have to think in that way if you don't remembering the formula. So I know one thing, that the function is tan x, whose derivative is sec square x. So I got the clue. Whose function means, what is that function? What is that function whose derivative is sec square x? So I know that function, that is tan x, whose derivative is sec square x. So simply the solution for this term will be tan x, and as usual always you need to put a constant. Okay, and why do we put constant? You are very smart in that. Okay, so same thing here. Let's say for a while I didn't remember the direct standard formula for this. All right, but what should I do now? That I need to find out, I need to inspect, I need to examine in my brain that what is that function whose derivative is tan x sec x. That we need to find out. And I'm very well in derivative, you are very well in derivative, because we already discussed that in a very deeper level. So we know that derivative of sec x is sec x times tan x. So now you have the function, now you got what you need to find out. As I told you, tan x dot sec x is derivative of what? That's the derivative of sec x. So that's why it will be now simply sec x plus a constant, always constant 1, constant 2. All right, and now I'm just rearranging it properly. Tan x minus sec x and plus c, this is constant 1, c1 minus c2. Okay, one more step, no problem at all. You're not in such a hurry because you're in the learning mode. Okay, so constant minus constant, that's always a constant, so I'm writing another big constant, big C. Okay, so that's a way to do the integration. All right, I hope you learn few things. If there is any more confusion, any doubt to ask me, then please feel free to comment below this video. I will definitely get back to you. And till that time, please rate the video, like the video, subscribe the channel. I'll get back to you in the next video. Bye bye.